Let's blow dry it, straighten it, refine it, and go from there.
I wanted it a bit longer.
Oh, right, okay, well, tough. Hi, I'm Jack, and this is Lydia, my business partner, but also my wife. And this is KMS Beyond Hair. We've got a really exciting haircut to do on Lydia today. We're gonna do a beautiful sharp bob. It's really gonna emphasize her jawline. Do you remember how we met, or is that just a full-on blur?
It's almost like a myth and legend, isn't it? So basically, we met on Facebook. I think you told me that you were opening a salon. I said, I want to open a salon. 2 weeks of talking, you said, do you want to go 50-50 business partners? You needed somewhere to stay, so we moved in together after 2 weeks. I was pregnant after 4 weeks. We opened a salon after 6 weeks. Engaged after 3 months. Married after 6.
And here we are.
And here we are. 4 years later, and now we actually know each other. And it was a good choice.
Yeah.
We did know really, really early that I was pregnant. And it was Jack that suggested it before me. He was like, did you just eat that whole bowl of pasta? that whole 4-portion bowl of pasta. And I was like, yeah.
If you're pregnant, or this might be a mistake.
Either you're pregnant or I can't afford to feed you.
The last 12 months have been amazing, haven't they, in terms of like our personal life and our business life.
I know that one of the things that you always wanted from childhood was to do a television show. And obviously last year you got that opportunity.
There's so much stigma with hairdressing that you can't earn good money, or it's not for smart people, or all of those things. And there's so many incredible opportunities within this industry. And I guess that's what I really wanted to do by going on a TV show about hairdressing, is I just wanted to try and inspire the next generation.
It's not always all glamour though, is it? We did a video and it's so funny. I just didn't think that it would blow up.
I posted this video that went on both of our Instagrams, and I promised, like, it was like, been up for an hour and it had 1 million views, and it was like, oh my God, where is this video going? And to be honest, it's just a bob, wasn't it? But it was like a bittersweet, wasn't it? It was difficult because there was like, what comes with a lot of people liking something also comes with quite a lot of trolling. Why would you ever do that haircut? Like, it's horrific.
He doesn't know what he's doing.
Yeah. It was so bizarre, and I just thought, God, like, why are you sharing so much hate in that? But you'll be able to take that, I think. You
handle it really well. I'm not as strong as you. When that video blew up, I just didn't look at my phone for about 6 weeks.
So now we've dried the hair, we're going to use the Thermoshape Hot Flex Spray. This is a fantastic product because it stops damaging the hair. It's got the heat activation in it, and it also gives a fantastic hold.
If we met when we were teenagers, like, what do you think that we would have got on or fancy each other?
No.
1,000,000%. Like, we couldn't have been more opposite, I think.
Yeah, you probably would have hated me.
I was like a massive emo at the time when you were like a massive chav.
Yeah.
So we were opposite sides of the playground, weren't we? And I was into boys with eyeliner and black nail polish.
And I was into girls that had No, I'm joking. Now we need to refine the haircut. To do this, I really like to use the Hairstay Anti-Humidity Spray. It's a beautiful product that adds shine, but also protects against humidity. What do you think we're gonna be like when we're like 80 years old?
I reckon you'll still be a fox, and you'll still be really grumpy all the time.
I can imagine you being quite quirky, like a sort of Vivienne Westwood sort of character.
I love that. Will you still cut my hair for me when you're 80?
Yeah, man, definitely. So, here's the finished result.
Oh, wow. It's basically the same haircut as the one that went viral and you got really trolled for.
I know, right? Well, one cut wonder. Hey Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my conversation with Lydia. To check out more episodes and loads more great content, head over to the KMS Pro YouTube channel.